My potted nokol harvest. Today I am going to harvest. I use the bags to grow these nokol plants in my upstairs garden. Organic soils are best for this crop. Applying cow dung or goat manure can give you a rich harvest. I actually only have 5 nokol plants. You can see how one of these plants has been damaged by an animal. So I decided to harvest the crops before maturity. Daily watering and soiling at proper intervals is mandatory. Nokol is a low glycemic index food. As a result, it helps to improve satiety and glycemic control. As part of a healthy diet, nokol can improve overall metabolism and help with weight loss. Nokol is rich in calcium and magnesium, which helps in strengthening the bones. This is my nokol harvest. Grow like this and get a good harvest. Thanks for watching. See you in another video.